Hi, today I'm gonna teach you the Triplet Strum. So my version is a little bit different. It's more a rotation style because I have a numb and stiff index finger, but who cares? I can play it anyway too. And this kind of strumming brings you more light, more powerful things, more interesting things in your playing style instead of playing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, or you play 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is more groovy, more fun. So you want to swing with and everything. So I'm gonna teach you this style. So there's one Downstrum version and a Up Strum version. I use the Downstrum version to put more focus on the keys or notes which were in the two upper strings, and if there's like a C in the lower strings, so from my direction to watch, not in the key of the strings, I play this Up Strum style. But first, let's start. I use the A minor chord because of its easiness to show. The Triplet Downstrum version. So instead of using the whole hand to strum downwards, we use just our index finger and we strum down. Then there's the thumb already on the start, down, and then backwards with the fleshy part of our index. So index, thumb, index, index, thumb, index, index, thumb, index, index, thumb, index. F major, triplet, 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 triplet. And I do more a rotation movement. It's more stressful for the sinews, but I anyway have a chronic infection in there, so I play it more like an old train. Triplet, 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 triplet. Index, thumb, index, index, thumb, index, index, thumb, index, index, thumb, index. Okay, are you ready for the Up Strum? Okay, we try it. In this case, we use the easy C major chord, and we do up, down. So index up, index down, thumb. Index up, index down, thumb. Index up, down, thumb. Index up, down, thumb. Triplet, 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 triplet. And I do it again with the rotation movement, but it's your choice, whatever you prefer. Triplet, 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 E minor, triplet, 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 triplet. Okay? And then I rehearse it to be fluently, and that the changes are shorter for, like, you play not only a song in one key, that you can do variation of the triplet. So we play A minor F major, C major, and E minor, just for practicing the triplet. So the down strum version and the up strum version. A minor. Triplet, 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 thumb. Index, thumb, index. Index, thumb, index. Index, thumb, index. F major. Index, thumb, index. Index, thumb, index. And now C major. Index, index, thumb. Index, index, thumb. Index, index, thumb. A minor. Index, index, thumb. Index, index, thumb. Index, index, thumb. Index. Okay, and now we do it without talking. It's me talking and practice. A minor 2 times. Triplet, triplet, F major. Triplet, triplet. C major. E minor. And now completely without. Okay, so have fun, enjoy, and slowly. 45, 50 BPM, and do tiny steps and practice 1 to 3 minutes, because my arm already hurts, because I always exceed the limit with myself and don't do the same mistake. So I'm gonna practice now and see you next week for the next tutorial.